My name's Melanie and I'm the founder of the MAZI Project. The MAZI Project is a charity that empowers and nourishes marginalised 16 to 25-year-olds' potential. We use food as a tool for social mobility, advocacy and a cure to the public health crisis. We really believe in the importance of ensuring that people from marginalised communities have access to nourishing ingredients. We deliver 90 meal kits every time we go out. We have delivered over 130,000 different recipes, very similar to your subscription recipe kits. And we'll text our young people with a selection of 20 very seasonal recipes. We'll pre-weigh our ingredients with our wonderful volunteers from the community and then deliver it straight to their door. The van is so imperative to the MAZI mission and has genuinely hugely transformed the organisation's ability to be able to reach more young people in need. With the MAZI Project, they feel like they're really humanised, they feel like they're loved, they're cared for, and fundamentally that's what it's all about, because food is all about love. It's really great to have an RAC Mobile Mechanic coming in today to be able to service our vehicle, so then we can be ready to make sure that we can deliver as many meal kits as we can to young people facing food poverty in Bristol.
Hi, I'm Brad, a mobile mechanic for RAC. We've carried out a full service for MAZI free of charge, so a full RAC service which includes oil and filter change, air filter change and a full safety check over of the whole vehicle. I've rebooked her back in to have the front and rear brake discs and pads changed when we do an interim service, also free of charge.
Thank you to the RAC Mobile Mechanic, because our van is ready to go and we're ready to deliver 50 of our amazing recipe kits to marginalised young people in Bristol. Thank you.